Making chocolate chip cookie dough. I have a secret ingredient that most people haven't been able to guess. Once you know what it is, then you recognize it in the cookie. But we'll get to that later in this. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I'm creaming the brown sugar, white sugar, and butter together. Once it's mixed well and turns a lighter color, we'll start adding the eggs. We'll add the eggs one at a time and blend each in well. All right, vanilla. I'm using pure vanilla extract. I'm not using the vanilla bean paste in this. And I'll add the flour a little at a time. Start out on low and mix it well. Continue adding the flour until it's all mixed in. The last of the flour. All right, now for the ingredients. I use very small, finely chopped pecan bits. Chocolate chips, 12 ounces of chocolate chips. And here's my secret ingredient. Granola, not just any granola. I've tried a lot of them. This is the one that I use, Honey and Oats Nature Valley. It works the best in this cookie. All right, mix the added ingredients in well. And I always chill my dough overnight, whether I'm going to freeze the dough or bake them the next day. They work so much better if the dough has been chilled. All right, I'm going to chill this dough overnight. I'm just going to put it in a gallon storage bag. And in the morning, I will either bake some or make the balls that I'm going to freeze. All right, it's the next morning and my dough is chilled overnight. It'll be real easy to make these balls. I'm going to line them up in a ring and just stack them on this paper plate. And once they freeze, they will not stick together. All right, this is the next day. These cookie dough balls just break right apart. Pieces of dough don't stick to each other. So I'm going to put them in this bag and put them in the freezer. I can bake as many as I want when I want. I'm going to bake some now. I'm baking them from frozen. I will bake them at a lower temperature, 350, where most recipes call for 375 when the dough's not frozen. 350 for about 14 minutes. Now it is going to depend on the size ball and your oven. Alright, this cookie is still warm. But you see, it's done. And look at that chocolate. So good. This is a cookie Santa will flip over. A little crunchy on the outside, soft and chocolatey on the inside. And with our now not so secret ingredient, this cookie has no equal. You might need an extra glass of milk for Santa, and who knows, you might get a little extra something in your stocking. Please let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, do us a favor and click the like button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we post another video. We hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.